Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of 2019. What? So I thought that since this was gonna be my first video for the new year, I thought I would do my vision board. This is my first time ever doing a vision board, and I have been watching a lot of YouTubers that talk about like the law of attraction and things like that. YouTubers like who's one, like Amber Shaw. I love Amber Shaw. She does a dream board every year, and I've been watching her for a couple of years. So also who's another one, Jordan Cheyenne. I love Jordan. So I thought I would do a dream board for this year and try to accomplish some things this year. So I'm gonna show you guys what I put on my dream board, and you saw in the beginning like me making it and everything. So I'm sorry I look like washed out and white, I don't know why. So let me just show you what I put on my dream board, and if you guys like this, let me know, subscribe, and you know, all that jazz. So okay, so this is my dream board. It says 2019 up here, and then I have everything on here. So I'm gonna go one by one and show you guys what I put on here. So first, I have a picture of very long curly hair, and it says let it grow, because I want to grow my hair this year. I feel like ever since I've been wearing my hair natural for like the past 2 years, I would say, it just has not grown. So we're gonna try to grow our hair. And also, while I'm down here, I have Miss Tammy Hembrow. I don't know if that's how you say her last name, but Tammy, love her. She's body goals to me, and I want my booty to look like hers. Okay. Oh, you can't. There you go. I want a booty like that, so I need to let my hair grow, and I need to let that booty grow, okay? Also, I want to at least reach 500 YouTube subscribers this year. So if you guys can, you know, help a sister out, that would be great. Then I have my central quote, which Miss Amber said you should always have your quote on here. And my quote for this year is, everything you can imagine is real. I just thought I would, you know, use that as, my lighting's really bad, I'm so sorry. So I just thought that should be my quote for this year, because, you know, if you can imagine it, it can be real, you know. So let's hope everything that I imagine this year is real. Okay, and then I guess we'll just work our way over here. I have a whole bunch of skincare, because I think I want to take better care of my skin this year. I don't have bad skin at all. I actually have really nice skin, but I feel like I need to start doing like a skincare routine and have like an everyday skincare routine kind of thing. And then over here, I have money, because I want to save money this year, and I have a certain amount of money I want to save this year. I think I want to try to save at least like $5,000 this year. And that's hard for me because I like to spend money. So let's see if I can save $5,000. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see if I can save $5,000 this year. And then down here, I have these really cute like outfits and stuff like that, because I want to try to dress nicer this year. I do work a full-time job, 4 days a week, so it's hard for me to like, I don't know, it's hard to dress nice because I don't ever have energy to do it. So let's see if I can, you know, at least try to look a little more presentable this year. Yeah. And then I also want to start an Etsy account. I don't know exactly what I want to do for my Etsy. I don't know what I want to name it, but that is something I want to start this year, and hopefully it is what I am imagining it to be, you know, because everything you can imagine is real, right? And then lastly, I want this car so bad, you guys, like so bad. This is a Audi Q3. And then I also want like the gray leather, can you see that? Gray leather seats, because I think it's so pretty. Like I want the white car and the gray seats, because it would be beautiful. Okay, so this is my dream car. We're gonna try to achieve that this year, but if not, eventually it's gonna happen. Okay, eventually. This is where I am hanging my dream board. It's actually in my room. My room's pretty dark right now and really messy, but if I'm in my bed, first thing I can see in the morning is my dream boards. So there you go. So yeah, that is my dream board for 2019. I think, I know I am going to be able to achieve most of these things. I mean, they're all pretty, you know, basic things. There's nothing like out of the ordinary that I want for this year. I really do want to grow my hair. I doubt it'll get that long this year, but it's, you know, it's getting there. I need to stop straightening it so much and everything, but I think most of this stuff is pretty, you know, normal stuff, so we can do it. We can do it. And I need you guys to help me get to 500 YouTube subscribers. So please, if you like my videos, subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, because that will help me a lot. Comment, you know, all that stuff. And I am gonna try to post more often, maybe like every weekend, I would say, since I do work a full-time job. It's kind of hard for me. So let's try to go for one video a week. Let's do that and see how that works. So hope you guys have a great 2019. And yeah, I mean, that's it. So subscribe, have a good day, have a good year, dream big, and goodbye.